Dear learners, subscribe to CSE Success Mantra and click on the bell icon to be the first to see the latest video. In this video, you will learn the classification of kingdom MCQs. First question is, who is known as the father of taxonomy? Its options are A. Angler, B. Aristotle, C. Linnaeus, D. Theophrastus. So its answer is C. Linnaeus. Second question is, binomial nomenclature was introduced by A. Carolus Linnaeus, B. Huxley, C. Devices, D. John Roy. So its answer is A. Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus introduced the binomial nomenclature. Third is, the famous book Systema Naturae is written by A. Darwin, B. Lamarck, C. Linnaeus, D. Robert Hooke. So its answer is C. Linnaeus. Fourth is, flowering plants are grouped under A. Cryptogams, B. Phanerogams, C. Bryophytes, D. Pteridophytes. So its answer is B. Phanerogams. All flowering plants are grouped under phanerogams. Fifth question is, non-flowering plants are grouped under A. Cryptogams, B. Phanerogams, C. Bryophytes, D. Pteridophytes. Its answer is A. Cryptogams. Sixth question is, basic unit of classification is A. Genus, B. Family, C. Species, D. Order. So its answer is C. Species. Basic unit of classification is species. Seventh is, hydrophytes are A. Aquatic plant, B. Plant disease, C. Rootless plant, D. Organisms found in sea. So its answer is A. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are known as hydrophytes. Eighth question is, the non-green heterotrophic plant of plant kingdom are A. Alga, B. Fungi, C. Mosses, D. Ferns. So its answer is B. Fungi. Fungi are non-green heterotrophic plant. Ninth question is, plant with bare naked seeds are grouped under A. Angiosperm, B. Gymnosperm, C. Pteridophyta, D. Bryophyta. So its answer is B. Gymnosperm. 10th question is, modern classification is based on A. Fossils, B. Phylogeny, C. Morphology, D. Physiology. So its answer is B. Phylogeny. 11th question is, the first step in taxonomy is A. Naming, B. Identification, C. Description, D. Classification. So its answer is B. Identification. 12th is, the term phylum was given by A. Cuvier, B. Theophrastus, D. Haeckel, D. Linnaeus. So its answer is C. Haeckel. 13th is, species is a group of organisms which A. interbreed freely, B. do not interbreed, C. live together, D. none of these. So its answer is A. interbreed freely. 14th is, natural system of classification is based on A. ontogeny, B. phylogeny, C. morphology, D. phylogeny and morphology. So its answer is D. phylogeny and morphology. 15th question is, Homo sapiens is the scientific name of A. honeybee, B. monkey, C. Man, D. Tiger. So its answer is C. Man. 16th question is, potato, tomato and brinjal are three different species but all belong to which genus? A. Solanum, B. Panthera, C. Phallus, D. Tigris. So its answer is A. Solanum. 17th, chlorophyll containing autotrophic thallophyte is called as A. Fungi, B. Bryophytes, C. Alga, D. Lichens. So its answer is C. Alga. Next is, the study of principles and procedures of classification is A. Nomenclature, B. Taxonomy, C. Classification, D. Identification. So its answer is B. Taxonomy. 19th question is, five kingdom classification of Whittaker is mainly based on A. Nucleus, B. Cell structure, C. Mode of nutrition, D. Complexity of organ. So its answer is C. Mode of nutrition. 20th question is, which of the following does not possess a specialized tissue for transport of water and other substances in plants? A. Marchantia, B. Marsilia, C. Cycas, D. Fern. So its answer is A. Marchantia. Thanks for watching, dear students. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to CSE Success Mantra for more such videos.